Today in this video we will learn about how to assign administrator users in Whmcs. For that, log into Whmcs and then go to Administrator Users under Staff Management. Now, click on Add New Administrator. Here, first of all, you have to add administrator role. This is dependent on the department that you would like to allot. Now, you can enter other credentials like first name, last name, email address, username and password of Whmcs admin area. You can assign the departments, support ticket signature and private notes if you want. Finally, click on Save Changes. Now, a new administrator user is added successfully.